Hi, I'm Robin, Director here at Alpha Tracker, and I've got some exciting news. Release 40 is now available. Release 40 of Alpha Tracker is our Winter 2023 update with literally hundreds of improvements, performance improvements, new features, bug fixes since release 39, which was our summer update. You can read about it here straight off our website. If you just click where it says release 40 is now available. We're just finalising the release notes. They'll go online when Kim finishes them next week or the week after, the detailed release notes. But here's the top 10 anyway, because I thought you'd want to see it as soon as the software is available. So as number one, asbestos registers are much faster, whether you're looking at them through the client portal or through the office view of the registers. They're much quicker to load. Re-inspections also will generate more quickly, so if you're sending lots of data back to a handset for an asbestos re-inspection, you should notice the difference there. There have been lots of improvements to Alpha Tracker Mobile. That's our app in the App Store, either Android or Apple, and you'll find there have been significant updates to do with data collection for things like fire risk and other form-based data collection, as well as the water hygiene side of the app. Also lots of performance improvements and bug fixes and things as well in there as well. If I just go back to our latest release page, you'll see that we've got a new quick edit in the project list. This is one of my favourite features, so I'll actually show you this at the end because I want to show you that on the screen. Surveys can now link to multiple templates. That's number 5. This one's an interesting one. So we've got clients now that produce not just one report template, from an asbestos survey or re-inspection, but perhaps produce 2 or 3 documents in different styles. You can now do that straight from the re-inspection, so you can link multiple templates to a survey type and have multiple reports generated. If you're into connecting to Alpha Tracker from other systems, as a lot of you are, you'll see that the Alpha Tracker API has been enhanced, more features, more robust, faster, that sort of thing. Number 7 will be of interest if you're a large company who has a Microsoft Active Directory, which is the directory of users, so it's the sort of the security system within your network. If you have one of those, you can now enable single sign-on, so you can log on once to your PC in the morning and then that will log you into Alpha Tracker without you having to log in again. Very flexible, very sophisticated, that feature. Do get in touch if you want to make use of it. You've always been able to put clients on stop in Alpha Tracker so that you don't accidentally book work in for somebody that's not paying you. You can now do that with specific sites as well, so you can have sites that are on stop to prevent work being done at a site for whatever reason. It might be health and safety, it might be financial, whatever reason it is, you can now put a site on stop. Imports are now more reliable, so if you're importing data from spreadsheets, there was an issue previously if multiple people were importing the same type of information at exactly the same time. That's now been resolved, and some other updates as well to the import features. And last but not least, the client portal has been significantly updated for water hygiene customers. So if you do water hygiene work, that's Legionella risk assessment or temperature monitoring, calorifier servicing, that sort of thing, you'll find that the water portal has been significantly improved, as in fact the whole of the client portal has. We've got lots of features in the client portal that have been updated. This is just the top 10. As I mentioned, when Kim's finished her release notes, you'll see the full detail. If you're UCAS accredited or the equivalent in Australia and New Zealand, do keep the release notes handy because you'll need to show them at your accreditation visits. I mentioned I'd come back to number 4 because it's one of my favourite features, the new quick edit and project list. Let me just show you how that works. This is our demo system here. If I go onto the project list, previously if you were working on a set of projects, perhaps for a particular client, or checking to see if projects were ready to be invoiced, you'd do your search at the top, you'd bring up your list, and you'd have to click on each one and open each project, and each one took a couple of seconds to open. You don't have to do that now. Now you can search, bring up the records that you want to see. So let's suppose this is the records here I've got on the screen. If you click the lightning bolt, you can then just flick between the projects and you've got an instant access, literally instant, to the information for those projects. You can even update them, open the milestones, open the notes, that sort of thing. So if you're just flicking through a set of records, just do it that way. Click the lightning bolt once to bring up the quick edit, and then just flick between the records and you'll see it's literally instant. That's a huge time saver if you're working through, like I say, a set of projects to check if they're ready for invoicing, or even producing the asbestos reports, whatever it is you're doing with a group of projects. So there you go. Hope that's useful to you. We're working on release 41 already, as you'd imagine. We really value your input in terms of feature requests, ideas that you've got for the software. Expect to see some AI coming into release 41, if not before. Any other thoughts you have, do get in touch. You can get in touch straight off the website. If you just go to About Us or Support, or indeed just go to the home page and scroll right down to the bottom, you'll see you've got a contact us page. Do get in touch. Thanks very much. Speak to you next time.